this day in history in 2010, then President Barack Obama signed the Affordable Care Act into law. The Affordable Care Act included several major changes, allowing young adults to stay on a parent's health plan longer, preventing insurers from denying coverage based on pre-existing conditions, and creating health insurance marketplaces where people could compare plans. Supporters of the bill called it a landmark step toward broader health coverage, while critics claimed it expanded the federal government's role in health care a little too far. There have been several attempts to overturn the law, with one of the most high-profile efforts coming in 2017. That legislation ultimately fell short.